Do, 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 de, do. I love coming to Port Orford Public Library. There's so much to see and do every time I come. Look at all the books. I'm so excited. Wait, what's this? It says it's a portable LEGO Challenge MakerBox Kit. What? That sounds super fun. What does it mean? Let's read the words. It says that we can take it home with us for 2 weeks, play with it, practice building with Legos, learn lots of new stuff, and bring it back for someone else to use. Cool. I like this. I'm going to need a human to help me check it out. See you later. All right, what have we got in our portable LEGO Challenge MakerBox Kit? Let's open up this binder and find out. Well, the first thing you'll see is a base plate where you can build all your things with the Legos that are in this pouch. So, we can open it up. Well, there's a lot of different pieces, different colors and sizes. We can stick them right on the base plate and start building right away. If we want, we can follow the challenges on these cards. Things like make a pattern with your Legos, build a Lego pyramid, build a rainbow, build an animal with Legos, make a Lego tree that stands on its own. I know we all love Legos and there's a lot we can do with them. There's even more ideas in this part of the book. It's got pictures and it helps you with the construction by showing you which parts go where. Get your imagination started for your own ideas. And you can also work on some of these fun activity sheets. We've got fill in the blanks, we've got a word search, and some coloring sheets. So much Lego fun right in this activity packet. It's a maker box for you to take home and borrow and bring back to the library so our other friends can use it. Join us soon at Port Orford Public Library. These MakerBox kits are available now. We'll have lots more coming soon. So don't forget to check us out Tuesday through Friday, 11 to 3. See you soon.